What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, I want to talk to you about the one question you never want to ask. And if you do, you need to sell that position immediately. I'll save the question for the end. But let's go ahead and start with the Ethereum chart. And then I think you guys will get an understanding of what I'm talking about. All right, so we're going to keep this in context. This guy is the YouTuber. When he wears this hat, it's going to be like YouTuber. And me is just like the guy who's just going to buy for whatever reason. Bro, you guys need to check out this thing called Ethereum. It's like the next big thing. Trust me. It's better than Bitcoin. It does amazing. And it like does a thing called smart contracts. It's so smart. It's so cool. Don't sleep on it. It is amazing. You should buy it. Psh, nah, bro. That's a scam. I ain't touching that junk. Nah, I ain't touching it. Bruh, I told you at 20 and it's now $163. You need to buy this coin. Trust me, it's a good coin. This good coin. Nah, I'm not buying this stinking 8X. I ain't buying it. No. I'll buy it on a dip next time. Dude, we're up another 3X. I told you to buy this coin. It's a good coin. Like, it does smart contracts. Like, they're contracts that are smart. Trust me. Why would I buy your 16X? I don't know. I'll just save it on CoinGecko and I'll see what happens. I know it looks bad now. It's down 50%, but trust me, buy the dip. I'm leveraging my house and I'm buying the dip. It's okay. Dude, you see this moron? This guy, he told me to buy this coin. He's down 50%. Such a loser. Did you buy the dip? I told you to buy the dip. If you didn't buy it, you should have got more chips to buy the dip, loser. Dude, like, I can't even believe it. This guy was actually right. I think we need to buy this coin. Like, seriously, look. It came back. Can you believe that, man? Look, Anon, did you buy the dip? It's like up a lot. It's Ethereum. It's smart contracts. Did you buy the dip? Dude, we didn't buy the dip. This thing is up like nuts. Let's buy some. Oh yeah, dude. I'm all in. I just dropped down 100 G's. That's good. That's good. Up another 20%, boys. I hope you bought the dip. Dude, let's go. We're up 20%, man. I got 120K. Let's go. I love this guy. This guy's awesome. Hey, dude, you need to check out this YouTuber. Oh, bro, Jeffrey, Johnny, Jimmy. Hey, dudes, come buy some. All right, man. Hey, look, I got Coinbase referral links too. You can get some too. All right, I got you. Cool. Yo, D, like, you told me to buy the dip. Are you sure this is okay? Yeah, man. Yeah. No, trust me. Like, this one YouTuber guy I watch all the time, he told me it's okay. It does, like, smart contracts, and it's smart. It's contracts that are smart. Look, just chill, guys. I know you're down 40%. I'm down 10%. It's okay. I know. Trust me. It's good. It's contracts that are smart. Yo, D, dude, I'm down 50%. Like, what the snap, man? Why did you make me buy this junk? Yo, chill. Like, seriously, I'm down 25%, but trust me, buy the dip, man. This guy, he told me last time, he told me last time to buy the dip. I didn't buy the dip, and it kept going. Buy the dip. Just buy the dip. Are you sure, man? Like, I only have so much. I mean, I guess I could mortgage my house. Yeah, dude. Do it. Trust me. It'll be all right. Mortgage your house. Make sure you like take out the loan against your kids. Whatever you need to do, man. Just buy the dip. Trust me. It's good. You'll thank me later. Oh yeah, boys. Dude, Drake. That's chill, bro. Dude, I'm up I'm up 10% since I bought that dip. Thanks, man. I'm so glad I leveraged my house. Nah, dude. You're good. You click the buttons, man. Trust me. You click them. It's all you. Good stuff. Oh, D, like, what the snap? It's down again. I thought you said it was gonna rip. Yeah, dude. Yeah. It's smart contracts. Like, I haven't seen this YouTuber in a while. Like, he hasn't been on, but trust me, it's contracts that are smart. It's good. It's good. Like, maybe the YouTuber will make another video and I'll give you an update, but it's good stuff. Trust me. It's good coin. This, good coin. Okay? Okay. Dude, I'm down 80% and I can't make a mortgage payment. Like, what the snap? I'm gonna lose my house. Bro, just give me a minute. I'm out of cigs. I gotta go get some cigs. I'll be back, man. Just like chill. Trust me. It's good coin. This good coin. Ethereum, contracts, smart, contract. I need some cigs, dude. Just chill. Please. Leave me alone. All right, D. You're right, man. You the man, dude. You the man. I'm back up to par. Thanks, man. I'm so happy. I can make this more. Yeah, dude. I told you, man. I told you. Yeah, I'm ready to give up this smoking addiction anyways. This is good. This is good. Awesome. Yeah, I know. I'm the boss. Remember, contracts that are smart. Forget it? Nah, don't, man. Put it on the fridge. Nice. Dudes, guys, look. We got this bounce. This is that retest. It's going to bounce off this. Trust me. Just watch. If you want, if you got a car or if you got something else to lever up against, go for it, man. You'll be all right. Trust me. Yo, D, I'm back down again. Like, I got nothing to leverage. I made one mortgage payment, but now I ain't got no mortgage payment. Like, what the snap? D, what do I do? Trust me. This good coin. This good coin. Contract smart. I still haven't seen YouTuber. This good coin. Stay safe. Good coin. Yo, D, what the snap, dude? I'm literally down 90%. Like, I got no money. I got no house. I got no car. I don't even have kids anymore. Someone else has bought them. Like, what the snap, D? Like, dude, can I get some of them cigs? Nah, dude, chill. Like, seriously, I don't even feel good. I think we should sell, man. We got to cut our losses. This is bad. I think we need to cut our losses, man. D, you told me it's good coin. You said it's contracts that are smart. Like, I thought this was going to be good. Yeah, dude, I did too. That, like, this YouTuber told me. I'm just being honest with you, man. I'm sorry you lost all your money, your house, your kids, and I'm down too, man. This ain't cool. Now I'm addicted to these dumb cigarettes. It's like, what the snap? I don't like this. This is... All right, man. I'm selling. You should sell too. Yo, D, it's all right, man. I still love you, but bro, this isn't cool, man. Like, what the snap? Like, you got to help me get my kids back. You got to help me get my house back. You got to help me get my life back together, man. I'll do the best I can. I'm sorry I can't help you. Yeah, man. Dude, see, look, I told you. I'm so glad we sold. Yeah, man. You're the sauce. I appreciate it, man. This is good stuff. It's good. It's good. We're cool. We're cool. You saved me another 50%. Yeah, D, you're right, man. Look, dude, it's going sideways. That's right. It's good. It's good. What the snap? Like, it's up again. Dude, it'll come back down. I mean, I told you, it's dead coin. It's bad. It's dead. Yo, D, like, dude, it's still going. Like, we sold at $100. Like, what the snap? Dude, it'll come back down. Watch. Man, look, told you so. It's done. Told you. We did good. Yep. See? She dead coin. Dead coin right here. See? Yo, D, like, she ain't dead coin. Look. It's up again. Another 3x. Dude, trust me. It'll come back down. Like, the YouTuber isn't even on anymore. It's going to come back down. Yo, D, like, it's back up to par where I bought. Like, I don't have a house, I don't have a car, and I don't have my kids anymore. Like, what the snap? All right, dude. I don't know, man. Like, I don't know what to do. It's going to come down. Trust me. It will. Hope you guys didn't sell this good coin. Contracts. That smart. Smart contracts. Dude, I sold. I can't believe you're making another video again. What the snap, man? Like, you failed me. You were gone the whole time it was dipping. What in the world? Trust me. I told you. This was good coin. Contracts. Smart. I hope you bought. Okay? Alright. Thanks. Yo, D, like, why did you tell me to sell, man? I would have made like a 4x. Like, what the snap, man? Hey, dude, I know too, man. There's contracts that were smart, and It was dipping. Like, I didn't know I bought the coin. Like, I don't know. Number go up, and he said contracts that are smart, and I didn't get what he meant. All right, so guys, I think we're done with that little skip, but I think it goes to tell and show. This is the number one question you don't want to ask. If you have to ask, should I sell now? Or when should I sell? Or is it dead? Should I sell now? That's the problem. That is the problem question. Why did you buy it initially? You need to ask yourself, why did you buy this coin? What is your conviction? What is your reasoning behind it? Is the number just down, or is your thesis invalidated? You have to figure out what is the real issue. If it's just number go down, well, then you have to figure out, well, it can't always be up only, one. And two, you're not always right. There's a lot of times that you are wrong. So do keep that in mind as well. That's why you have to spread out your risk into other positions. Summarize that. You need to figure out why you're buying the coin. Are you buying it because you're convicted on it? You think it's going to do something? Second is, what's your thesis? What's your narrative around it? Do you believe in it? If number goes down, what are you going to do? If you're buying a coin just because number go up, well, when number not go up anymore, same thing for the other person who bought it for number go up. It's going to go away. So you need to figure out why you bought the coin, what's your conviction on it, and next is what's your time frame. If it goes up and goes down in 1 month, like what the snap, like, or even a year. You see that with Ethereum. But the people who bought Ethereum at $20, rode it to $400 or $1,200, are now at what, $3,200. That's the point. And of course, the last thing you need to ask yourself is, what if you're wrong? This is where it goes to, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Because if you're wrong, which there is always that chance that you're wrong, no matter how much conviction there is, there's a chance of being wrong. What about pets.com? Remember, like, it was going to be the next big thing. Like, everyone would have bought their stuff there. Oh wait, that didn't work out so well. Just to keep that in mind, guys. So again, ending the video, food for thought. If you ever have to ask someone, should I sell now? Well, you shouldn't have bought the dumb coin in the first place, because you have no conviction. You don't realize why you bought the coin. You're just buying it because someone told you to buy it. Guys, you need to learn how to fish. If you're just grabbing fish from someone else, eventually that fish is going to run out, especially when that quote unquote YouTuber you're watching or whatever goes away and they aren't making any more content on it. Honored to have you guys on the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. And if you guys would like to jump in the Discord, where I like to teach people how to fish, and sometimes I'll feed fish here and there, there's a link in the description below. It is the Patreon link. Make sure you guys do the VIP tier. And if you guys enjoyed the video, smash a like, hit that subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. Let's go ahead and hit you guys with a wisdom one-liner. We're in Proverbs chapter 16. All right, we're in Proverbs chapter 16, verses 14. A king's wrath is a messenger of death, but the wise will appease it. Yeah, you don't want his wrath, man. It ain't good. You guys can also catch me on tweeters at rent a home fast, like literally at rent a home fast.